Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I go by the name OCS and my co-host here.
Yes, your boy Max pale kwa mpigo sana tena zaidi.
And today we are coming with another episode. We are trying to play a game here. And that game is about the fun facts about Africa that you didn't know. We're going to be asking ourselves questions. And if you get the answer, at least you earn a point. And if you get it wrong, turus. Yeah. We
And
can.
here we go.
And here we go. Are you going to start ama mimi nianze?
Awe anza.
Number one question that you I'm going tell me the first African president to win a Nobel Peace Prize.
President.
Hey, the first
A
African
male or female?
a male president. Wangari Maathai was not a president. Wangari Maathai was never a president.
Oh my god. Pass. I don't know that.
The first African president.
Yeah.
Sasa nikwambie and the answer is Nelson Mandela. Easy. 0-1.
Okay.
1-0.
Here we go. Okay, my question is which country, I just need one. Which country is still being ruled with like it still have that a monarchical government?
Yeah, that's easy.
Yeah.
Eswatini. Eswatini.
Yeah, correct.
You know what's funny? Niko na swali yenye inahusu Eswatini. Then the reason why nimepata hiyo Eswatini ni they still wear that attire.
Oh. Oh my god.
2-0. Yani ina kunyorosha left, right and center. Question number 2. The largest cocoa producer in Africa. The country which produces the largest cocoa producer in Africa.
Just come across that thing. Oh my god. The largest
cocoa producer in Africa. The country that produces the largest amount of cocoa in Africa.
Guys, leo ina huyu jamaa hata nyinyi mnaona ananilemea leo.
Left, right, center. Left, right, center. Cocoa. Number 2 is Ghana.
Number 2 is Ghana. Cocoa.
Drinking chocolate. Chocolate.
Cocoa tea. Oh my god.
This is the 3rd point I'm gaining now.
Leo natoka bure.
Ivory Coast. Easy.
Bullshit.
Bring your question, nigga.
Yes. This is just a quick one. Tell me the count. There are 4, but I just need one. Which have legalized.
Marijuana.
Not marijuana. Legalized alcohol.
Alcohol?
Yeah.
Legal?
Yeah, it is legal.
See, alcohol is legal everywhere.
No. We have a major country
that alcohol is legal.
Is legal, yeah.
See, Kenya number 1?
No. That's wrong.
Legal. Is there a country in Africa where alcohol is illegal?
Yeah, that is my question. So you have to ask.
You ask illegal.
Legal.
Legal. Every country alcohol is legal. To people above 18 or below 18. Is there Africa, South Africa, Botswana?
Let me ask that question again. Oh.
Illegal.
Nimeuliza nini? Illegal. Utakata sindio?
Illegal.
Yeah, illegal.
Illegal?
Yeah.
Alcohol illegal, Africa. It has to be an Islamic country. has to be and it is not Egypt. Algeria.
No.
Libya.
You are
Libya.
guessing or are you unageza mu?
Acha nigwame na Libya. Libya.
Let me.
Answer.
Okay.
Libya. Ay. Intelligence too.
Oh my God.
Libya walai.
Yeah.
Ay.
We have Libya, Somalia.
Head to be an Islamic country. Let me take you back to that Eswatini.
Mm.
The modern day Eswatini.
Okay.
Umejua. Tell me the name of the former Eswatini used to have a name, but it changed because the name of that country used to be slightly familiar with country from Europe. So tell me the former name of Eswatini.
The former name. The former name.
Eswatini.
Hii ilifunzwa wapi?
Oh my God. I'm very sure unaijua. You know the name of that country.
No. I don't think. I'm not even sure.
Swaziland.
Fuck this guy.
Swaziland.
This guy is just a lunatic person.
Swaziland.
Ah.
Yeah. I'm getting everything. I can't get even one of mine.
Oh my God.
Swaziland.
Okay. When did Tanzania get their independence?
That's easy. 1961.
Ah!
1961. 1961. Hiyo nimepata.
Oh my God.
Hiyo nimepata.
Yeah.
Yani.
Guys, leo nimegongwa. Woo. Leo.
So, there is only one country in the world that refused to vaccinate its citizens from COVID-19. Tell me the name of that country. The only country in the world that refused to vaccinate its citizens from COVID-19.
Uganda?
Nah. It is in East Africa.
East Africa.
And it is not Uganda.
Tanzania.
Nah.
Tanzania
vaccinated people.
But they were using
That is still
limao na maji moto.
That is still vaccination.
Okay. Yeah.
Let me give you a hint. It is in the northern part of East Africa. It is the northern part of the Eastern Africa.
Somali, Egypt. It must be Uganda and in those two countries.
It is not Uganda.
It is Uganda.
Like,
me, I think it is
hair
that
is very soft.
Very soft.
And it is not Somalia.
Sudanese. Sudan.
Yo, umeguess zote. The answer is Eritrea.
Yeah, hata Mungu angerudi singepata because COVID-19 we were focusing on our own things.
Zako zimeisha? Yeah. For real?
Yeah.
The first Kenyan Prime Minister?
Prime Minister? Raila.
Raila was the first Kenyan Prime Minister was Jomo Kenyatta. The first president of Zimbabwe?
Zimbabwe.
And it is not Robert Mugabe. Mugabe was the first prime minister, not the first president.
Umejua
Mugabe ndio alikuwa anaitwa Banana, something banana.
Hata hiyo labda ulize Waganda.
Which country was ruled by Muammar Gaddafi for 40 years?
Country? Libya.
Musa Mansa was the wealthiest man in the history of humankind. Which country did he come from? Musa Mansa, the richest man to ever exist in this God's green earth. And was an African.
Oh my God.
Well, his brother was the first person to go to the United States during the 1200. The first people to discover United States.
That is an history.
Musa Mansa.
I don't know.
Mansa
Even
from
the
Mali.
name doesn't sound familiar to me.
Hey.
The name doesn't sound familiar.
You know what's funny?
Eh.
Zako zote nimepata, zangu zote umelunda.
Nimepata moja.
Libya.
Libya, yeah.
Libya hiyo ni after nimeuliza baadaye.
Yeah.
Hiyo ni Libya. Guys manze. Hii nimeshinda hii.
But next.
Hii nimeshinda hii. Sasa next. Kwanza make sure you subscribe.
Yeah.
Before we go. Make sure you subscribe because we are gonna be coming with episodes every single day.
Nawaona wana watch manze na wa subscribe.
Make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification, tell a friend. The most handsome man in Africa. With this beautiful hair. Cutesy, demure, mindful.
Adios.
Adios amigos.
Adios amigos.
Bye bye.